Good morning, my dear students. I'm your faculty, Dr. M. Balateja. So, in previous sessions, we have discussed about the topic is two-stroke petrol engine working, two-stroke diesel engine working. Today, we have discussed about the four-stroke petrol engine and four-stroke diesel engine difference, and petrol engine working and diesel engine working of the difference. These important difference we have discussed because this is the differences are very important for you have to write in the examination. Every university has asking these important question in the examinations. Okay, right. So this is the main difference. Four-stroke engine and two-stroke. What is the main four-stroke engine and two-stroke engine difference? See here, we are having four working processes are completed within four strokes. Here, four working processes are completed within two strokes of the engine. So that's why we are calling here four-stroke engine, two-stroke engine. Okay, so that is the first important difference. And second important difference in the four-stroke engine, two rotations, the crankshaft rotation taking place, two rotations to complete the cycle. Cycle nothing but four working process. To complete the cycle, that is to complete the four working process has taken two rotation of the crankshaft. Here in the two-stroke engine, four working process are completed with one rotation of the crankshaft. So that is a second difference. And third is power is produced once every four strokes of the piston. Okay, that is the spark ignition taking place or diesel ignition, and that is fuel injection taking place within four strokes of the piston in the four-stroke engine. But in the two-stroke, but the power is producing, that is spark ignition or fuel injection taking place within two strokes of the piston. That is the third difference. Okay, engine is designed a bit complicated due to valve mechanism. This is the in the four-stroke engines we have valve mechanism, but here we don't have any valve mechanism. Here we are having the port mechanism. That is you can understand. Okay, so here no need of adding oil and lubricate to the fuel. We don't need any add of the fuel. Here we definitely to add the fuel. Okay, that is you can see the vehicles of the four wheels we don't need add the fuel, but here definitely we have to add the fuel. So in the piston top side of the piston, we don't have any portion, so that's why it is flat. Here we're having the portion that is bump. We're having on the piston above the piston, so that is called we are calling here. That is the thing we are calling the top side portion. Okay, right. So here, what I'm telling that in the four-stroke engine, the above the piston cylinder we don't have any portion, but above the piston cylinder we are having the portion that is called bump. That is you can remember. So now mixture remains only in the combustion chamber. Here the mixture will be remains only in the combustion chamber. In the combustion chamber only we are having the mixture, but here air-filled mixture enters through inlet port, travels combustion chamber passing through crankcase. Here without the crankcase, this is going to pass in here. With the crankcase, the air and fuel mixture passing in the engine. So four-stroke engines are heavier vehicles and two-stroke engine is the lighter vehicles. Okay, it makes less noise. Four-stroke engine make less noise, but two-stroke engines are more nice. So louder noise we are getting. So these are the main important difference we are having the four-stroke engine and two-stroke engine. This is a very important question for the examination. You can understand very well. Okay, when you know the working of four-stroke engine and two-stroke engine, it is easy to write the differences. Okay, next. Now, what is the difference between the petrol engine and diesel engine? So here, generally the engines are classified into petrol engine, diesel engine. Again, the petrol engine classified into four-stroke and two-stroke. Again, diesel engine classified into four-stroke and two-stroke diesel engine. So that is the important thing. Okay, what is the petrol engine? The petrol engine main difference is the petrol engine has invented by the Otto. This is the person has invented the four working parts of the petrol engine. So that's why in the name of his Otto cycle we are calling. So diesel engine we are calling as name of his name is a diesel cycle. He is the person who invented the diesel engine. These persons are introducing the four working processes in the petrol engine, diesel engine. Okay. So by his names we are getting the cycle. So that is Otto cycle and diesel cycle. In the petrol engine, air and fuel mixture is entering into the cylinder, but here diesel engine only air is entering into the cylinder. That is you can observe. So here by the spark plug we are getting the spark ignition, but by the fuel engine we are getting the compression ignition. So that's why this is SI engine, this is the CI engine we are calling. Okay. Okay. And here the compression ratio is 6 to 10. means the compression ratio 6 to 10, and in the diesel engine we have the compression ratio 10 to 20. So here in the petrol engine lower efficiency, you have compared to diesel engine has a higher efficiency. That's why we are using the heavy vehicles. Okay, higher fuel consumption and lower fuel consumption. It will take it requires more fuel, but it requires less fuel. Vibrations and noise will be very nice, very less. Here vibration and noise will be very high. High running cost, here very low running cost. And here light duty applications, that is low vehicles, here we are using the heavy vehicles, that is heavy duty applications. So these are the main differences for the petrol and diesel engines. Okay, so for these differences, that is 4-stroke working and 2-stroke working of the differences, and petrol engine diesel engine differences are very important for the examinations, for mid examination, for externals, for supply exams, whatever the examination, these questions are very important. You have thorough in these topics. Okay, thank you, all the best.